Welcome to the mini website design tutorial videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design a very simple squeeze page. A squeeze page is part of a mini website if you're wanting to design it, and within the next couple of minutes I'm going to show you how to set up a very simple squeeze page that you can use for your own internet business. Now, the first thing we need to do is to make use of what I call a template. So for example, this is a template. So if we double click into that, inside this template, which I'm going to be giving you when you order for the course, there will be two icons on there. The first one should be the images folder, and the second one should be the index HTML file. Now, the images folder is what we use to store our images. That is images that is on the web page that we're designing. So for us to use this template to create our own squeeze page, all we need to do is to right click on it and choose open with Microsoft Office front page. Remember, in previous lessons I taught you exactly how to get one of these. So basically, this squeeze page template, or the template, enables us to edit content, so we can delete that off. And if we minimize that for a moment, I'll come up with basically the content of our squeeze page. So what we need to do is, first of all, to copy the headline. Okay, so right click and copy, and the first thing we need to do is to paste our headline in there, and then at the same time we copy all the other content as well and paste it. It's as simple as trying to paste into Microsoft Word. Okay, now we have this. Now it's now our turn to start making, to make it look nicer than it is. So the first thing we need to do is to change the font of that. Can you see that I'm making it a lot easier? And we can choose a bigger font size, and that's a little bit too big. So if we put that for the moment being, and then we change that to maybe something like a trebuchet font name, and increase the font size as well. Can you see something like that? And at the same time increase the font size for this as well. So now if you see, it says free report reviews, how to start a home-based business and make real money on the internet right here in Nigeria. Now this is our headline, and to make it look a lot more nicer, we can change that color to red by highlighting it and picking these colors. And we can as well play around with the font size and the font type by choosing different fonts that actually relates to what we want to do. So you can actually use anything you want as your font, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Now you can also underline a couple of these as well. Now if you look at this is looking like a proper squeeze page already. Now the next thing we need to do, I said in my previous tutorial that when you're designing a squeeze page, you need your headline, which is this, you need your call to action, which is this, and you need to explain exactly what you are giving on your squeeze page, which is this, and then you need a call to action box. Now that box looks something like this. Now to design that box, all you need to do is to draw or create a box that you would actually need to design to input your autoresponder details. Now the best way to do that is actually to either use a box by creating an insert table, or basically you simply split this, you place the cursor around there and you simply split into two, which simply means that it basically toggles or creates your web page, or create it turns your Microsoft front page into a double pane page that you can actually design and edit in code. If you notice, this where we have this is actually somewhere around here. So what we need to do is to go into our autoresponder like I do here. I have an autoresponder already, and I'll just take the piece of code that my autoresponder gives me for me to be able to get people to sign up, and copy it by right clicking and choose copy, and then come all the way back here and paste, and click in here and paste that code as well. So all you need to do is to right click and choose paste. Now if you go back to the design pane, now that should bring up your simple squeeze page. Now if you look at that, what I have up here, and we can move this sign up button into the middle by clicking on the sign up button and clicking the center to make it come in the middle, and there we go. So that is it. We have a very simple basic squeeze page, and to see what it looks like, all we need to do is to click on